Hello friends, today we are going to be talking about some stocks that you can go for a swing trade on the 12th of April 2024. Now I was going through my list of stocks and I came up with two stocks which I'm going to discuss today. One is Petronet LNG, if you see here, Petronet LNG, and the second one is Aegis Chemicals. Now, if you look at this chart here, we are on the daily time frame. What do we see here? Let me know, what do you guys think? What do you see here? I'm zooming in on the chart, zooming out. So what do you guys see here? Price has gone up, come down. Price has gone up again, come down again. Consolidated for a bit, then consolidated here and gone up. Now let me just zoom out the chart a bit. Price is above all its moving averages, 20, 50, 100 and 200. We are on the daily time frame here. I'm going to draw a rectangle here. Okay, I'm drawing a rectangle here. And I've drawn a rectangle here. Now, price has been consolidating since the 1st of February right up to the 12th of February. Now, price has gone down, two legs down, and price is going up. So, this is basically a box breakout or a consolidation breakout, and we have the breakout on good volumes. Can you see the candle over here? We are seeing huge volumes here. If you look at the volume, it's almost 5 times the volume, more than 5 times. And I also see a double bottom pattern here. This is bottom number one, price going up, bottom number two. So this is, we've got two factors, couple of factors in a confluence. One is a box breakout with huge volume. Second, it's a double bottom pattern. Third, price is above all its moving averages and is broken out with huge volume. So I would basically take a trade here above the highs, say somewhere here, and the high here is 309 on the daily time frame, and I would go in for I'll go in for long at 309.10, and I'm going to make this 309.1 as well, and my stop loss here would be the low of this candle um, some cents. So let me zoom down here. I'm going to keep in my SL here, change the color to red. Coordinates will be 288, or you can keep it as 287, and you can write something like SL at stop loss at 287. So the stop loss would be at 287. And one more confluence factor is that the MACD line has cut the signal line and we see increasing volume. So this would be a good trade that one can take tomorrow. I'll be going in for this trade, but please do your due diligence before you enter into the market. And please take the trade only if you're aware of the risk and you know what you're doing. This video is just for academic purposes, so with all these confluence factors, I'll be going in long at 309.10 with the SL at 287 here or somewhere about. You can tinker with it. So this seems like a good trade because of a lot of confluence factors like volume, MACD above the signal line, huge volumes, double bottom breakout, box breakout, and it looks good. Now let's look at the second chart, Aegis Chem. Now Aegis Chem again is at a daily time frame, and we see that the price has gone up, it's come down, lingered around here a bit, went up, consolidated, went up here. So what do you guys see? Why should we take this trade? If I'm going to be suggesting, let's zoom in. See, price is in a range for a while, finally broken out. Now, why would I suggest this? What makes you think that this would be a good long trade? What is it? Come on, you guys. You can comment after you see the video. But what makes you think that this is a good trade? So while you're seeing candles here, I am seeing a pattern here. It's called the head and shoulders pattern. I will just show you this. This is a head and shoulders pattern. I'm seeing a head and shoulders pattern here. Now remember, this is not going to be exactly like the textbook pattern. It's not going to be it's not going to be perfect. Ma- Market patterns are rarely perfect. They're not textbook, but you get the idea. So you have something like this, an inverse head and shoulders, which is a good place for a long trade. And we can take this here, and we can take this here a bit, and I've put in a horizontal line. So if price breaks above this, and if you see here, price has come down, the volume is less, then price comes down with a vengeance, then price increases. Again, you have some consolidation, low volumes, and again volumes are rising. Can you see this here? So this is a head and shoulders pattern, and you could take a trade above the high of this candle. So our candle high is 472. So take a trade here at, I use trendline, right? Let me delete this. I'll use a horizontal ray and I'll place my trade somewhere at 473. Make this green and 473 it is. 472, 472.10 should be fine because there's a difference between the high and the close. So 472.10 is good. No point giving another rupee here. So I'll say long at 472.10. And you have a nice candle here and you have a low of 438. So you can keep your SL below the low of this candle, 438.5. So keep it at 438 or 437.50. This will be red because nobody likes losing money. At least I don't. So your stop loss at I've forgotten. It's 437.50. You can keep it at 437.5 and 437.5, and there you go. So you can enter long here. And what's going to be your target? Your target is going to be the point from the head to the neckline. That's 27.68%. That's what your target is going to be. I'll have to reduce the chart, zoom in, and your target will be around 27.68%. This is your target. Of course, you can choose to trail your this thing, and 27 point some basically 27.68 is what I have. But you can basically trail it, keep your target as 1:2 of your SL and or 1:3. It's up to you what you want to keep, and you would get a good reward here. And the head and shoulders pattern has a good probability ratio. It's the success rate, I think, is between 75 and 80%. So it's a pretty good win rate, probability rate. So there, I have given you two stocks to go long in for swing equity trade. You had Petronet breaking out a box breakout above all the moving averages, MACD positive, MACD being positive, good volumes, double bottom confluence as well. And you have Aegis Chemicals with the head and shoulders. And I've given you your entry, your stop loss, and your target. So, but please do your due diligence before getting into this trade. These appear to me uh, to be good probabilities to take a trade, and I wish you all the best. And if you like this video, you like the information that I've given, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for notifications, and forward this to people who are serious about making money, learning trading in the market. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.